Welcome to the Recurve Module installation guide. Before we begin, let's discuss what the Recurve Module is. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, controls various aspects of your car's engine. The Recurve Module lets you modify the ECU settings for personalized performance. Now, let's get started by opening the package. Inside, you'll find basic instructions. The Recurve Module with an enhanced high-resolution touchscreen, OBD2 cable, and USB cable. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle battery is fully charged. Batteries older than 3 years, even fully charged, may fail during the riding process. To avoid issues, connect a power supply or voltage stabilizer. In this step, connect the OBD2 cable to the Recurve Module. Next, connect the OBD2 cable to the vehicle's OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard near the steering column. Once connected, the operating system will boot up. Tap the tuning icon on the touchscreen. It's pressure sensitive, so press firmly. Now select your vehicle type. Select the make, model, and variation. Then, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Ensure your car battery is fully charged and all accessories and lights are off. Press OK to read the ECU. This may take up to 15 minutes. If you encounter any error messages at this time, we recommend watching our troubleshooting video. At this point, you may see 2 different on-screen messages, depending on the type of vehicle ECU. If you see the message, reading completed, switch the ignition off and disconnect the module. Please watch the installation video Part 2. This alert is triggered because the original ECU file within your vehicle doesn't correspond with any of the pre-existing files inside the module. If the message says, "Preparing tuning file," please continue watching. The module will create the tuning files and save them in the memory. Once completed, switch off the ignition. Select the tune you wish to load. Then, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. The file will initialize and begin writing to the car. This takes around 10 minutes. Please do not operate anything in the car during this time. If you experience an error during the programming process, it's crucial not to switch off the ignition or disconnect the Recurve Module. It is normal to see warning lights or messages on the dashboard when writing the ECU file. Once completed, switch off the ignition and disconnect the Recurve Module. Start the vehicle and ensure there are no engine lights on. If you encounter any issues, we recommend watching our troubleshooting video. Find some troubleshooting tips in the manual, or you can create a support ticket on our website. Enjoy the enhanced performance and customization options that the Recurve Module offers your vehicle.